Hi, I'm Iain MacBeath. I'm Director of Adult Care Services and the Co-Chair of the Hertfordshire Co-production Board. So we've had a Co-production Board meeting today, very well attended by everybody. We talked about a number of things today. The first thing was we are setting up a number of other co-production boards to look at the different care groups that we serve in adult care services, so older people, people with a learning disability, people with a physical disability and so on. We're going to have 8 of those, and our commissioning managers will go along and listen to people and co-produce new services, new pathways, talk about changes that people want to see. So we agreed how we're going to organise all that, and by January we'll have some new board members who will make their way from those subgroups, and hopefully that'll tie everything together better than it is today. We also had a presentation from David Coolbeer, who's leading our work on assistive technology. So that's new sensor technology that's available to people, where we can examine how people are living in their own homes and try to intervene sooner if they get sick, or if they need a little bit more support from social care. So a lot of issues were talked about around the table around ethics and morals, and whether people were being filmed with cameras or sensors. What about people that didn't have the mental capacity to consent to have all that sensor technology in their home? What about family carers and the confidence and reassurance that provides? So a really interesting discussion. And then we had a short talk about the budget for adult care services and how that was looking for next year, some extra money that the government are providing to councils, and what our priorities should be when we're setting the budget, and the councillors are agreeing that next February in the council chamber. And finally we talked about the NHS long-term plan and what the implications were for adult social care, and what our members on the co-production board will want to talk about in future with regard to that long-term plan. So all in all, a good discussion, and look forward to taking that forward in the future with our co-production members.